Start filming.
Can you jump in?
1, 2, 3. Let go. Let go.
Woohoo!
Let go. Do it again. Okay, here. Look at these little knees. Look at these red knees, baby. Look at these knees on this boy.
Good boy, Liam. Good jump. Do it again.
No,
Swim to the side. Good. Okay, jump in again to Daddy. Jump into Daddy. Hi, Liam. Can you jump to Daddy? 1, 2, 3.
I know, your knees are all red.
Did he scrape them again?
Come on. 1, 2. Let's do this. Okay? Okay? Ready?
Good job, Liam.
Oh, man. Okay, let's get your butt down. Good. 2. You gotta let go. Let go with that hand. Good. There you go, big boy.
See if he'll stand up on the edge of the other side.
What do you mean? Edge of what other side? Of the pool?
Yeah, so I can see his face when he's jumping in.
You do this?
1, 2, 3. Good job, buddy.
He wants to just do it again and again.